शुरू के पोस्टिंग के बाद, ये वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टिप फॉर योर ऑडियंस ऑल्सो, कि अगर आप शुरू के अंदर पोस्टिंग करने के बाद पहले 10-15 मिनट प्लेटफॉर्म पे रह के कंटिन्यूसली अपनी पोस्ट को एंगेज करे, क्रॉस पोस्टिंग करे, क्रॉस एंगेजिंग करे, ताकि उस 15 मिनट में अगर 15 लोगों ने भी आपकी उस पोस्ट को पढ़ लिया, उस पर रिस्पॉन्ड कर दिया, एल्गोरिदम विल कैच कि दिस इज सम वैल्यू कंटेंट, बिकॉज देयर आर बिलियंस ऑफ पीपल पोस्टिंग ऑन एवरी डे. कैसे पता चलेगा कौन अच्छा है? So the more people interact, they say, "अच्छा, it's being liked, let's push," and that is how a post gets viral, basically.
तो इसमें एक मेरे को वर्ड याद आ गया, लाइन याद आ गया, पोस्ट एंड घोस्ट.
हाँ.
पोस्ट करके लोग लिंक्डइन बंद करके चले जाते हैं, बट इट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू हैव देयर एट द प्लेटफॉर्म फॉर एटलीस्ट 10-15 minutes. Then only the cross posting and that
will happen. 15 minutes before.
Okay,
before posting, start telling the algorithm, hello, I'm there, hi, I'm there. So you're there. And then when 15 minutes you have engaged on other people's posts, now the algorithm is active for your account. It knows that Sneha is online, Sneha has commented here, Sneha has liked a video there, Sneha has posted here. Then you write your post. Then you post it. And then you again start responding to other people. So the moment you do this, your post will also start getting the push. And then, you know, there is a mutual engagement which starts happening. राकेश ने post डाली, स्नेहा ने comment किया. राकेश को जैसे notification आया, स्नेहा posted on your this thing. So Rakesh will also just check out and maybe just comment back on his post, but my algorithm will read that you posted on my activity. So you get the visibility through that.
So from here, I'm just understanding that the fight is not with people; it is with algorithm.
It's not even with algorithm. There is no fight. The fight is only here. That's what you're fighting about. So if you are clear, there is no fight. When you know what you're posting, to whom you're posting, and you're following a little bit of tactics, 15-20 minutes here, 15-20 minutes there, sorted you are. एकदम से चेंज नहीं आएगा, पर अगर आप महीना ये स्टेप करें, 20 मिनट इधर, 20 मिनट there, you will see the change in the analytics of your LinkedIn profile. This so I can give in written and guarantee and sign. कि ऐसा हो ही नहीं सकता कि आपको number of viewerships increase ना हो, आपकी LinkedIn engagement ना बढ़े, नहीं हो सकता.
It will definitely pick up.
I mean, it has worked for people who use ChatGPT right straight away for writing the post. कोई effort उन्होंने उस तरह से भी नहीं लगाया, but AI is what they have used, and I am a pro AI person. I mean, I am a person who believes that you have to adopt. You can't say कि अच्छा नहीं मैं तो नहीं करता हूँ, नहीं. You have to learn. If you don't evolve, you will dissolve. So you have to be completely emerging with the system. Learn how to use it. Increase your productivity. So it has worked for some of my clients where they were able to enhance themselves, their profiles, using even ChatGPT at times and getting great results.
Okay. So that was the tip number 1 for LinkedIn. Can you share more 2-3 tips for our audience? So the one tip was 15-20 minutes before and after, and some 2-3 tips so that people start understanding our.
I think then I'll start with the audience for, first of all, number 1, before posting anything, please optimize your LinkedIn profile. That is the foremost important thing. It's like you're calling people for Diwali at your home or for Eid or for Christmas and you have not decorated your home. You're like कि हाँ खंडर है आ जाओ, nobody will come. You have to optimize. हाँ, पेंट नहीं किया, डेकोरेशन नहीं किया, दिया नहीं लगाया, रंगोली नहीं बनाया, तोरण नहीं टंगाया, it will not work. So you have to do the optimization. Your photograph, your banner, the keywords, everything has to be in place. This is algorithm is a computer. It goes 1-0. Are you there? Are you not there? So whichever way, whatever you want to be communicating, optimize your profile. That is the first step that has to be taken up. Second, once you have done that, find out the agenda of being on LinkedIn. What is the goal? Why are you on LinkedIn? What is it that you want to achieve?
Target and goal of the.
If you are a job seeker, your target would be, I want to showcase myself to the people who are right now doing recruitment for product managers. That's it. Simple goal. I want to showcase myself to HR talent managers who are recruiting for product managerial position. Once, that is tip number 2, that you get clear on your goal. Third, create content. After ChatGPT, no one can tell me मुझे लिखना नहीं आता, मुझे अंग्रेजी नहीं आती, मेरी ग्रामर खराब है. कुछ नहीं है. मतलब बोलना नहीं चाहिए, पर सिर्फ यही खराबी है और कहीं कोई खराबी नहीं है. Take action. There is no perfection. कुछ कभी भी perfect 100% नहीं होने वाला है. Start building yourself. If you are trying for a job, Start telling people about what did you learn from your past jobs, how did you do a project, what were the main learnings from there, why do you feel that teamwork has helped you, flexibility. हजार सॉफ्ट स्किल्स हैं जो कि सब यूज करते हैं, every single day you use them,
Knowingly, unknowingly,
everyone uses. Start communicating, connect with people. And the fourth tip which is very important is connect at emotional level. Facts पे connect करने से ना बात नहीं बनती, इमोशन ड्रामा जब तक नहीं आएगा बीच में, ड्रामा आना चाहिए. You have to tell how is it your story. Don't tell what is Pomodoro technique. तो दुनिया को पता है, किताबों में लिखी है, आपने क्या नया किया, आपने कैसे इम्प्लीमेंट किया, आपकी स्टोरी क्या है, स्टोरी टेलिंग.
Your story, okay.
That is where
Storytelling works
emotion,
wonders.
yeah, that is where emotion comes into picture. Otherwise, it becomes very dry.
Okay,
Doesn't give you
okay.
the results.
So those were very important 4-5 tips. And एक और मैं सवाल पूछूंगा इसमें. We used to put so many hashtags. उसका क्या जंजाल है?
So hashtag is also a way for feeding the algorithm that
Okay.
what kind of a content are you creating.
Hmm.
But if you have optimized your profile, then you just need 2 or 3 hashtags. That too, if you're talking something which is not a so-called part of your optimization.
Okay.
So, like, let's say I talk about career, resume, and someday I am giving my inputs on what I felt about, the budget which was released. So, technically, budget is not my domain. I don't speak about it. You will not find the word budget in my whole profile, but I'm speaking about it. I want my presence to be noticed. So, I'll push hashtag Indian budget 2024.
Okay.
So at least so that
Targeting.
particular, so that I'm retargeting कि I'm this, but I want to get some footage in this particular domain also. That is the whole purpose. On Instagram, hashtags work very differently. But on LinkedIn, the game is only this.
Only retargeting.
That you just want to, you're not leaving your thought leadership on what you know, but you're giving some extra ज्ञान कि अच्छा मुझे इसके बारे में भी कुछ पता है, मैं इसके बारे में भी अपने विचार प्रकट करना चाहती हूँ. So some kind of additional inputs you want.
Wow, that was
But it should
super
have to be 2 to 3.
2 to 3.
I see people putting 15, 20. The algorithm confused. क्या भाई,
किसको
कहाँ
दिखाऊं?
focus करना? Doesn't make sense.
2, 3. And